Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ravindranath Khade. This is the BSc second year, semester third, unit number 2. In that topic, the remaining aspect, that is the venous system of Calotus. The vein always bringing the deoxygenated blood from body back to the heart fall under the different categories. One is pulmonary vein, another is caval vein, the third one is renal portal system, and then last one, that is the hepatic portal system. The pulmonary vein, here the two pulmonary veins from each lung join together into a common pulmonary vein which open into the left auricles. That pulmonary vein, both they are open commonly pulmonary vein which into the left auricles. Okay. Then caval vein, there are three larger caval veins and supply the blood to the sinovenous. Since venous receive the blood from the two anterior or precaval and one posterior of postcaval vein. Each precaval is formed by the union of three veins, internal and external, jugular from head and subclavian from forelimb. Right precaval also get an zygous vein from the ventral thoracic wall. The postcaval is formed by the union of two right and left efferent renal vein, which collect the blood from kidney. Before union, each receive the genital vein from gonad. The postal receives two stout hepatic vein from liver before it enter the posterior angle of venous. Then third one, that is the renal portal system. In that system, the medial caudal vein from tail bifurcate over kidney into two pelvic vein. Each pelvic vein send uh, an afferent renal portal vein into a kidney where it break into capillaries. The pelvic vein now receive a femoral and sciatic vein from the hind limb of its side. Two pelvic vein now unite in front of kidney, form medium anterior abdominal vein, which ultimately enter to liver to break up the into the capillaries. The last one, that is the hepatic portal system here. A stout hepatic portal vein is formed by branches from stomach, intestine, pancreas, etc. It enter the liver to break up into the capillaries. This is the venous system of Calotus. Okay. It is all about the venous system of Calotus. This is a diagram of the image of venous system of Calotus. Calotus is all about the venous system of Calotus. Thank you everyone.